In this video, I will show you how to move the Windows 11 Start menu to the left-hand side. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you might be aware, on previous versions of Windows, the Start menu down in your taskbar at the bottom would have been on the left-hand side. Now, on Windows 11, they've moved this, so your Start menu and things like that are all in the middle. So if you want this to go back to the left-hand side, then all you need to do from your desktop is come and click onto a blank space of your taskbar. You actually want to right-click, and on this pop-up window, click onto taskbar settings. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see an option called taskbar behaviors. So what you want to do is give that a click, and this is going to expand and show you some options. Now you can see the first option says about taskbar alignment, and currently you can see this is set to center. So all you need to do is simply click onto this drop down box, and you've got the option to change it to left. If we give this a click, you're going to see everything is going to move to the left, including the Windows Start menu icon, and that's how to move Windows 11 Start menu on the left hand side. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.